This video you are watching is not copied from any movie. I made this amazing world with just one click, with the help of artificial intelligence. Even this is not a real image sent from a satellite in space. This image is actually my imagination, which I also produced with the help of artificial intelligence tools with text. To create your own world, just enter the site. I put the link in the description as always. First of all, let's see my dreamy world with 2 different moon. Isn't it amazing? Look at the details and the colors. I always had this world in my fantasies. Now write here what you have in mind to create your dreams. For example, I write this, the world of rabbits. Just something simple to start work with this AI. Here you have some category to choose your world type. In this case, I choose cartoon as you can see, and then press this to generate. It takes just a few seconds. It is really a cute and funny world that it is generated for me. This AI tool helps you to simulate different environments that you have in mind and bring them to the picture. It is very exciting to be able to portray the world we have in our dreams in the best possible way. Now I want to change the style a little and create something different. For example, a magical library. And change the category to storybook. Let's see what the result will be. And something else is that I can add more features to this prompt. As you can see, you can type up to 420 characters, but now as I said I want to try simple thing. What do you think about this design? Isn't it fantastic? You can see everything in full detail. I can really work with this AI for hours and create the worlds I had in my imagination. Let's now change the style a little and generate it again. This is great. This AI tool can help graphic designers a lot in their career path and give them a better vision for progress. This AI tool empowers developers to create visually stunning and immersive virtual worlds across various industries, including gaming, virtual reality, architecture, film, and more. Now how about take a trip to the Mars? Are you ready? With the help of this AI, you can create a storybook and even different videos for different YouTube and Instagram platforms and earn money. You can use different parts of these pictures to make different storybooks. Add different elements to it and generate your story in the best possible way. These were some prompts that I wrote at the moment, and I didn't think anything about them. Now I want to take help from Chatgpt and create a magical world for me. I write this request. Tell me a prompt for a magical world full of flowers, fairies and magical trees with blue shine. Chatgpt can write a really nice prompt in any subjects. You have just given some clues of what you need. I have a long text here, but I only take a few main sentences and use them. And this is what this AI generated for me according to my prompt. This is really a dream. It's great. I can publish these photos on my Instagram and say that I traveled to a magical world. I really enjoy working with this AI tool. I hope you liked it too. As you have seen, you can create the same world in different styles and have a new form of it. I make videos on my channel about working with different AIs. If you like this style of video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video.